There's waterfall in the cage. Well, actually, this is actually a fence, the protective fence, so nobody will fall down there, right? There. Isn't it cool, bud? Almost there. There you go. Yeah. There.
So high up here.
Uh-huh.
I can see the whole world.
I can see the...
up here.
Yeah. There you go. Almost there, right? Mm-hmm. There. Uh-huh. Yeah, there's a bridge there. You see that bridge? We're going. Go straight to that bridge there, okay? Mm-hmm. Go.
I got leave.
Yeah,
I
you gotta
gotta leave.
leave. Yeah, you got a leave.
But this way.
Want to put it in my fountain? Okay, here. All right, let's go.
But this one go.
Oh no, I have lots in my pocket. Okay, I think my sweatpants is going to drop. I have lots of stones in my pocket. My goodness gracious, see that one is so bulky already. My God. Huh? There.